guys ready for the superhero news? Starseeds superhero news? Daisy, we're recording. Every time I talk, she wants to... always interrupting. She's so rude. Y'all ready? You ready for the Starseed news? They are begging people not to speak to you. But the truth is too much to stay quiet about. Daisy, you're in the camera's view. She's in the camera's view. Next in the headlines, you have galactic forces absolutely not playing about you. Filmed at 11. Reiki to call your energy back. That's for later. If people knew how hard I worked to get my mastery, it wouldn't seem so wonderful at all. Michelangelo. Black moms at a parent-teacher conference. They're all going to have to move on because it's just too hard to take you out. It's just too hard to take you. They're all going to have to move on. It's just too hard to take you out. What is sorcery? We're not reading anything for the devil. The best Avengers Doomsday plot leak rumor I've ever heard. When you get rich, tell no one. Shut up. I'm really lonely. Liberal-looking woman says she was turned dough. She was turned dough. Some food stamps for thought. Stars! The crack is how the light came in. 3 times you overcame the darkness. Happy Dwala, everyone. Good morning, guys. I just want to say, at Eva's Magical Wonders, every product is handcrafted with intention, love, and magic. By one pair of hands, mine. I'm a one-woman operation, creating, labeling, packaging, and shipping nearly everything myself. To ensure you receive, you would have to ask to ensure you receive. You would have to ask to ensure you receive. People will send spirits to hijack your beauty, reflecting this inner energy. Mission Impossible 2 MTV Movie Awards parody. Ben Stiller and Tom Cruise. The real reasons narcissists obsess over super empaths. Carl Jung. When your stud friend is mad, I told everyone about us. Stewing over upcoming court date because the discovery will be reviewed. Where's Patty? Where's Patty? Said what I said. Lock 'em up, FBI. This was channeled from a few cyber task force anyone of guilty stealing us currency through wire fraud, embezzlement, doing this just to YouTube content creators. You will lose that nice house. You will lose that nice car, and you will be subjected to seizure of your property and sentenced to federal prison. They're not going to continue to live a fraudulent luxury life from theft, fraud, extortion, embezzlement. This will be your last year at targeting the divination tarot community. To the very few genuine gifted ones, there is currency will no longer be tampered with. Firewalls will be put up as a mandatory law, and these greedy, thieving authority figures hiding behind a secret society, thinking they're too privileged to commit these financial crimes. Their qualified immunity has been stripped, and indictments Federal raids will be arriving to these individuals' homes and apartments ASAP. A strong channeled message from federal law. Breaking: hunting stand found within line of sight to Air Force One. I'm broke, it's getting hard. I'm broke and it's getting hard. Woman quits her job without a plan? Is that what it is? Confirmation. Without a plan. Hit the curb. Hit the curb without a plan. The lack of friends means that stoicism. Part 2. These women plotting to unalive you through magic for your money. This masculine is R. This masculine is R. This masculine is R. Views today. I love. Aww. There is no way this level of delusional should be studied. I love this guy. He cracks me up. He does. My tea sippers be on it, laughing my ass off. When an energy is happening, my team will have. Everyone is cutting them off and running. Karmas. Does she have to pay for 2 seats? Fucking y'all are wrong. I wrote this song for the freedom fighters. Roof, roof. 2 years ago, Texas woman attacked by a sky-falling snake. Then a hawk intervened. Someone really did get injured from doing spell work, and someone truly is possessed. Karmic couples. Once this high priest dead. Boy, did you dodge a fucking missile cutting this man off. Pisces, you've got people fighting about you. Shocked you stood out from everyone. Golden aura. Tarot. Pisces. Pisces, WTF. Shocked. Major plot twist. They weren't expecting this side of you. Follow the signs, Pisces. And certainly get your popcorn. Get your popcorn. Simple enough. Simple enough. You know, I think for healers, at least for healers, you know, being able to use the sunlight to expose the beauty of healing and tarot into every, hey, that's not yours. I don't care. It's not hers. You know, exposing every dark corner and crevice with the light just to open up your lady's amazing abilities. Hey, stop. She has amazing abilities too. They're just not with that. There you go. Find something else to play with. Find something safe to do. She needs to find something safe to do. Hey, find something. So she looks at me with a mouthful of it. Find something safe to chew on. She's got to find something safe to chew on. That can't be good. She said, I don't care. Hey, we're doing the news. She won't listen. We're doing the news. Simple enough. Simple enough. So, while people are scrambling like, you know, roaches with the light turned on, simple enough. Simple enough. Thank you everyone for your beautiful involvement with the Starseed superhero news. Simple enough. Simple enough. I think I'm going to do this more often. What do you guys think? Y'all like this? Y'all, you just want me to read headlines and just kind of let you know what's going on with the clickbait and tarot land and the surrounding YouTube? What kind of community standards does YouTube have? I mean, to think that they were trying to create content creator gas chambers and then use magical means of stealing their creative intellectual property, because it's all about you, and if they can take you out, then they've got all that creator content to make more views and energy harvest with. Amazing how that scam works, isn't it? Simple enough. Anybody found Lyra Ray? I haven't seen that starseed on YouTube in a couple years. She was in the land of places where starseeds could be taken. She's in Vegas. Fuck that. Fuck that. Human black market salesman try to catch a starseed in New Mexico, and then it meets the Lincoln County deluge. I just made that one up. Anyway, we're gonna go walk Daisy. Y'all have a beautiful day. Y'all let me know, what do y'all want to see more of? What do you want to see less of? Let me know, what do you want to see more of, and what do you want to see less of in the comments? Namaste.